In this video, we're going to try and integrate 10 to the power 3 of x. So we are going to try and integrate this. So break this block into two blocks, into this block multiplying with this block. Whenever you see 10 squared, you can make use of this. So replace this thing with this block. So now multiply this out. This times this would then give you this. This times this would then give you this. So really it boils down to us trying to integrate this and this. Now in one of the early videos we've already integrated this. It gave us this. So track back to one of the early videos for this. So we're going to integrate these two separately. So in one of the early videos we've already done this. Now looking at this, when you integrate, try to spot something being the exact derivative of another thing. So this block here is the exact derivative of 10. Because if you look at this, hang on. If you differentiate 10, it will give you secant. So secant squared. So secant squared is the exact derivative of 10. So when it comes to integration, keep an eye out on something being the exact derivative of another thing. So this thing here is the exact derivative of another thing. So you know it's easy to integrate if you use substitution. So because this is the exact derivative of this, use substitution. So let u be this thing here. Let u be tan of x. If u equals tan of x, then du equals this thing here. So dx equals this thing here. So we can put this into the dx, and then we can put the u into this thing here. So this whole thing here would then become this. So now, when you integrate something being the exact derivative of another thing, then these two will cancel each other out, leaving you with this. Now this would be easy to integrate. It will then give you this, and then that would then equal this. So now going back here, going back one step. Earlier we were here. In one of the early videos, we've already done this. It gave us this. So when you integrate this, it will then give you this. So now putting the two together, your final answer will be this. Okay.